Guys, ladies, welcome back. This is week 3. We are going to do our push-ups. We're going to do our Mustang Spell Out. And then we're going to do a few exercises, new exercises this week. The first one we're going to do is our Mustang Spell Out. So we're going to stand up, hands to our side. We're going to spell out Mustangs. And then we're going to say Mustangs 3 times. Mustangs, Mustangs, Mustangs. Who. Make sure you get that who in there. All right, here we go. Mustangs. Ready, exercise. M-U-S-T-A-N-G-S. Mustangs, Mustangs, Mustangs. Who. All right, we're going to get those push-ups in the same amount as your 8. Remember, we're going to be doing hand release. So we're going to lift our hands up, press down, up, 1 step, back down, hands up, down, up, 2 steps, back down, hands up, down, press up, 3 steps, hands up, down, press up, 4 steps, hands up, down, press up, 5 steps. Hands up, down, press up, 6 steps. Last one. Hands up, down, press up, 7 steps. All right. Remember, push-ups, do the amount of your age. The next one we're going to do is you're going to find a line or make up a line, and we're going to go side-to-side hops over the line. So I have this white line. I'm going to hop over it back and forth. We're going to be up on our toes. We're going to be up on our toes. Our shoulders are going to be pointed in the same direction. You can have those ski poles if you want. Side to side hops. Ready, set, go. Just hopping over the line. Eyes forward. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. All right, now we're gonna have 1 foot in front of the line, 1 behind. This is called Ollie Shuffle. We are gonna be, hopefully, using our arms, and we're gonna be switching our feet. So it looks like this. We're gonna do the same thing for time. Are you ready? Ready. Ready, set, go. Light on your feet. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. All right, we are going to do some jump squats. We are going to do 3 jump squats. How many? How many is this? 3. Say 3. 3. Okay, so we're going to have our feet under our shoulders. We're going to bend down, touch the floor. We're going to jump up, clap our hands up over our head, and then we're going to come back down. So 1, 2, 3, and we're done. That is called jump squats. Work on those jump squats. We will be doing them in class. Slow, under control. All right, the last one we're gonna do, say last one. The last one we're gonna do is lunges. Lunge, we're gonna work on our legs. These are called our quadricep muscles. We're gonna step out. We're gonna bend those knees. This knee is gonna be over this ankle, and then we're gonna push back. We're gonna do 2 on each leg, so 4 together. Here we go. Knee over ankle, push back, that's 1. 2, 3, and 4. All right. We are going to do some bunny hops right now. We're going to hop like a bunny, so act like you're a bunny. We're going to hop. Ready, set, hop. We're just on those toes, hopping. Hop, 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 hop. There you go, 10 more seconds, hop. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Great job, Mustangs. Workouts. Week 3 is done. Try to get that in every day. You can split it up throughout the day, or you can do it all at one time. Have a great week. Can't wait to see you live. Until next time, Coach Marston's. Peace.